This is new to me, this gear shift on the Mercedes. I spent 5 minutes trying to move this thing. Gear shift lever, right? Gear. 5 minutes. I was about ready to go back in to 6 and ask them, how do you shift this car? Nothing happened. Tap this. Nothing happened. Then I looked up on the dash, and there is the gear change. Okay, there it is. How do I change gears? Well, it's a stock now. How long has it been since there's been a gear shift stock on a car? Pull this down for drive, push it up for reversed, push it in for park. That's how this one worked. Took me a while to figure that out.